how to copy and paste on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore the shortcuts for copy and paste. And it is absolutely easy. All you have to do is just follow these steps. So suppose we want to copy this paste written over here, you need to select it. After selecting it, just simply press Ctrl and C. You need to press Ctrl and C together. This word will be copied. Now you can paste it anywhere. Suppose I want to paste it over here, I will just simply press the option of Ctrl V. Make sure that you do it together. After you just simply press Ctrl V, it will be pasted over here. And this is how you do it. Now if you want to copy all these three words, we will just select three of them. Now just press Ctrl and C together. Now let's paste these words, and for that let me give some space and press Ctrl V. And this is how you would be able to copy and paste on a school Chromebook. And you can also do it in one more way by just selecting it and just tapping two fingers on your trackpad. Now this list will appear. Now you can just simply click on this option of copy and click anywhere after that and tap with two fingers again. Now click on this option of paste. And this way you would be able to copy and paste on a school Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.